Hello everyone, in this video I have an unboxing video from SpeedCubeShop, and this is the brand new YJ MGC 4x4. So I've heard a lot of great things about this cube, and lots of people have been switching to it and maining it now. So let's get right into it. Straight away, the box looks really great. It has that, I like that really cool like half triangle, the triangle thing, half squares. So let's open the box. Are we supposed to take this thing off? Okay, hold on, give me 1 second. I'll try and take this off. Okay, a few minutes later, I almost got it. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know what? I think we have to keep trying. Okay guys, I finally, after a few minutes, got this thing off. Why does this have to be so difficult? Wow. Come on. Okay. Okay. Jeez. This thing is so oily. Like as oily as like a Volk. Straight. It's like I just put my hand in a bucket of oil. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. Does it come with a towel or something? Oh, I need a towel. This thing is insane. Okay, so this towel might be my best friend for the rest of this video, so that's not a very good thing. Okay, almost done washing it all off. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, I also have the previous YJ 4x4, like I think, is it the GTS2? I have absolutely no idea what its name is, but out of the box, this feels really smooth. I mean, well, this, I've had this for a while, so I think I've definitely broken it in a little bit. It feels so smooth. I can see why people switched it to their main. But geez, it's oily. I mean, I think this is worse than a Volk, like oily wise. Okay, let's just get onto the accessories, whatever this thing is. Look at him. Are you serious? Yeah. Okay. Some springs. It actually swaps out the springs. Extra magnets. Wait, no, that's the springs. Screwdriver. You know what? We don't need that right now. And 2 different kinds of magnets, which is quite questionable. I mean, I remember when I got this out of the box, and it was like perfectly fine. It was like a GAN cube. It wasn't oily at all. I mean, this is worse than a Volk. If you've ever unboxed a Volk, this. Okay, so we'll start doing some turns now. Okay. I'm already starting to get some catches, and yeah, I'm not gonna try that. There. Okay, we're good. We're good. I mean, it feels really smooth, but it's very questionable about. Unless you have 7 towels in your house, I wouldn't recommend getting this. I'm just joking. I would definitely recommend this cube. But the thing is, would I recommend it over this one? That's the thing. This one feels a lot more squishy. This one's a lot quieter though. So, depends what you want it for. If you want it for volume, then yeah, get this one. But this one, it sounds really loud and it's really squishy, but I think this one's corner cutting. I don't know if So, wow, these are like 2 totally different cubes. So, this one's corner cutting. It's a lot smoother, and this one's more snappy. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, now we'll try this one. Wait. Maybe because it got like lubed maybe prior to shipping, but jeez, it feels a lot smoother than this one, than this cube, because it feels really squishy when you turn it. But I think this one is a lot faster. This is a lot faster, and this one, it's not that fast, but I think it can turn really well. And they even look different. I don't know if you'd see that, but this one is more rounded off a lot. And this one is more like a Volk, I would say. Like a Volk. Or, yeah. This one is really squishy. I think this one is actually bigger. I don't know if you could. Yeah, this one's bigger. So, depends what you want. If you have bigger hands, get this one. But obviously, I'm not that old and I have smaller hands, so this one would be a lot better for me, I think. But the oil, I mean, like, man, geez, that's crazy. Okay, so, I mean, I guess we could test corner cutting a little bit more. But, I mean, I could definitely see why people switched over to this cube. I mean, 4x4 cubing hardware is not the best these days, and neither is 5x5. So the best 5x5 cubes would probably be maybe the Aosu, the Volk, definitely. Everyone uses the Volk now, and another Moyu cube. So the MGC, people really like the MGC 5x5, so, and 6x6. So I kind of had high hopes for this because everyone was praising the 5x5 and 6x6. I don't have those, but if I did, maybe that'd be good. I don't know. I don't do 5x5 and 6x6 that much. I do 4x4, 3x3, yeah, and that. And, but, yeah, it depends what you want. If you want fast, not that quiet, if you don't really care about that, and a lot bigger, then definitely get this one. If you're definitely about be quiet, you don't care about this oil getting all over your hands, and yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff. Great. Oh, let me see the shades about these. Okay, let's see if these are any different. This cube feels so squishy. I don't think they are any different. I don't know. I can't tell, but I think I like these. But the shades are really good on this cube, so these shades are a lot better than like the Moyu ones. And yeah, I think I like these shades better than the Volks as well. So yeah, definitely get this cube. Depends what you want. So these are like the review, not really, but these are the 2 YJ cubes, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.